right. No, I'm good. I was just wanted to see the outside first. All right, so this is a. Let me get in a different way here. There you go.
Apparently the pad fell off the clutch button.
Yeah, I see that.
I didn't notice. It wasn't like that before. So.
Interesting. And the floor mat wanted to.
I watched the floor mat.
All right. Good to know before the
and this one
engine's on here.
This is reverse.
Okay.
Left
so how?
And forward.
Left and forward. So straight forward is.
Dude, I usually put it in second.
Oh, put it in second to get it in first. Okay.
I think.
All right. We got seat belts in this one or no?
Belts.
Okay.
Might put them on to be legal for the video.
Well, I can cut this part out if we can't get these to work. I don't know where.
It's way down on the right. Or, I guess on the left.
Oh, it's, yeah, I see. Interesting.
Yeah. And I'm not sure if this one is power steering or not.
Okay.
It might be a little hard to turn.
Might wrestle it a little, but okay. Well, cool.
Keys on the dash.
All right. Well, that's a sound that my Miata doesn't make. Oh.
Miata probably doesn't do that either.
You gotta give it a little extra gas to keep it.
Gas.
All right, so over and down into second, and then up into first.
Yep.
All right.
We'll be back. I hope. Yeah.
All right. This will be interesting.
Yeah, it has oil pressure. The clutch is very crappy.
Yeah. There's a lot of travel, and then
it's like all of a sudden it's just like going.
yeah. Interesting.
Yes.
All right. Turn signals and all that.
You're on the right.
All right, I appreciate that. Still clear?
Yes.
All right. Oh, that is stiff power or non-power steering.
Yes.
Okay. Interesting. All right. Is that still kicking up or no?
Yeah, it's coming.
All right, there you go. Got it. I appreciate that. Let me know. A good excuse to go slow up here.
Yes.
Alright, and then maybe third there.
Yep.
Back down into second. Oh, that was. There you go. Oh, brakes are still pretty good for 1969. Stops quicker than my 67 YR1. That's fun.
It is fun.
Yeah. Definitely a little heavier than the Miata.
Yeah.
But the deer up there. Oh, probably should have avoided those, huh? The bumps, but yeah, this is just a very unique experience for me.
The hood just like sticks out so far.
Yeah. Is that still a deer by the road? I don't think so. But I did definitely see something cross. I don't know if you saw it earlier.
I did not.
Okay. Gotta be careful of that on the way back, but I think it jumped in right around there. Thank you again for inviting me out here. And this has really been a lot of fun today. So.
If you like cars, this is a good place to go to.
yeah, for sure.
Yeah. I haven't been here today. Is there room to turn around?
What'd you say?
I haven't been up here today. Is there room to turn around?
I don't know. I mean, everyone's just kind of going in the, or at least your dad was going in here and then just, yeah, kind of looping around there. Yeah, it's funny because my Miata's, it does not have power steering, but it feels completely different.
Yeah, like this is way stiffer.
Yeah, you think we're good here?
Let me see.
All right, yeah. Whoa.
Yeah, you're okay.
Okay. Alright, gotta be careful with the floor mat.
Yeah.
But there you go. That's funny. Yeah. Well, I guess I could just slide it back with my feet. I've been too focused on driving that I didn't even think of a solution. But there you go. That's probably all I needed. Man, this is fun.
The power is nice. So you just like hit it and it just goes.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, you don't really get power in the Miata until like above 4,000 RPM for sure.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm just adjusting the floor mat there a little. But yeah, that's awesome. And that sound is special too. Yeah. So what size engine is this? It's a 302? Well, it was a 302. So this one's got the 347, you said? To increase the stroke?
Yep.
Okay. I have been listening.
Okay.
And with
It's not
the
real stable in corners, but
Yeah.
it's not bad.
yeah.
The road's coming up here.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll slow down nice and slow because the steering's a little stiff.
Yes.
Still getting used to it. Whoa. Don't want to go off into the bushes. Man, that's awesome. So this one's Cece?
Yes.
Okay, and then the yellow one, your dad said he didn't think it had a name.
I don't think it does.
Okay, we gotta name it.
This one's named CC because the paint is called Calypso Coral.
Okay,
So it goes called
CC. Interesting. Ugh.
These cars definitely, the clutches are very different from other vehicles.
Yeah. All right. Leave it in gear or neutral?
You can probably leave it in gear.
In gear. So, all right. Cool. Is there a? Should I use the parking brake or no? The one.
No, you don't have to.
Okay.
I just turned the key off because it was on accessory.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh man. Man, what a ride.